and welcome back to another episode of Hotel Fever. Good morning, everyone. It is day one in Sydney. Spend the day with us.
Why you come and shoot down on a good vibe, ready to flow? You keep on coming and not coming, baby, please stop rocking my boat. Cause I'm ready to rock, honey, don't say it if you lying. Cause I came here to water down your road. So baby, why you shoot down on a good vibe, ready to flow? Can't keep me down, down, down. Cause if this is love that I'm feeling, then don't ever let this feeling go. Come on, let it grow, let it grow, let it grow. There ain't no need to start you crying. Why you come and shoot down on a good vibe, ready to flow? You keep on coming and not coming, baby, please stop rocking my boat. Cause I'm ready to rock.
Thank you to the bro, to Vasaray and Sis Lily for our snacks and breakfast this morning.
Baby, why you shoot down on a good vibe, ready to flow? Cause I'm ready to flow. Ready to flow. I'm ready to flow. Ready to flow. Lady, please take it easy. All I want is some good vibration. Please say it if you need me to relieve you from that negative situation.
This is Auntie's morning routine. This is her daily routine, everyone. Yes, go Auntie. Show everyone how it's done.
Halfway, you realize all the words you don't need to say. Why you come and shoot down on a good vibe, ready to flow? You keep on coming and not coming, baby, please stop rocking my boat. Cause I'm ready to rock, honey, don't say it if you lying. Cause I came here to water down your road. So baby, why you shoot down on a good vibe, ready to flow? Cause I'm ready to flow.
A beautiful vibe, don't leave me. Monkeys on my back, too easy. Cover me, baby, and I'll love you freely. I can get it, come and get it, you can have it.
If you're in Sydney and looking for Samoan food, check out this place. They have everything from galo down to luau, wa'a, falaipi, sapasui, curry, everything. So we just stopped here to get some lunch for the oldies, and now we're back home.
You keep on coming and not coming, baby, please stop rocking my boat. Cause I'm ready to rock, honey, don't say it if you lying. Cause I came here to water down your road. So baby, why you shoot down?
Thank you for spending the day with us. Shout out to the bro Sabs and Sis Mish for dinner tonight. We're just gonna chill and hang out and wait for Cruzy to get home from training.
Oh,